anytime the spiritual want to manifest physically on this earth, they will take a form of things that are already in natural. That means the spiritual cannot manifest physically until they take a form of something that is existing already in the natural. So anytime, that means anytime a spirit want to manifest his power or his form on earth, they will take a form of a thing that already existing. That means spirit cannot manifest his power, his form, his look until they look for something existing. They will take a form of things that means if this light is existing on earth, a spirit can transform itself into this light. But that thing must be existing on earth. That means if a goat is existing on earth and people are rearing goats, a spirit, anytime a particular spirit want to manifest his form, his nature, he will look for something that is already existing on earth and take their form. Did you hear me?
I hear you, sir.
Spirit cannot transform themselves into object. Liani, this is the last word. Spirit cannot transform themselves into object. That means a spirit cannot turn to this thing until they transform into a human body. It is human body that gives spirit power to transform to any object on earth that they want to transform to. That means anytime a spirit want to transform, they will first of all look for a human body to borrow. Once a spirit incarnate themselves into a human body, they can change to anything. That is why when a spirit, whether dead or living, that is why even when somebody died, they can still use his body to come and operate to the living. Now, spirit in their nature cannot change physically until they wear human body. That means human body is an instrument through which spirit can transform and masquerade themselves.